Soon we are going to welcome 2022. In today's video, let us see how to make super soft eggless chocolate cream truffle cake. Chocolate cake is one of the most popular variety when it comes to cake. Hello friends, welcome to Tiffin Room and Happy New Year. If you like today's recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Now let's begin the recipe. Now let's begin. Take a 6 or 7 inch cake tin. Grease the tin well with some butter or oil. Add half tablespoon all-purpose flour or maida and dust well. Please spread the flour well and all over the tin by tapping like this. Put the tin upside down and remove the excess flour. Now the tin is ready. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. If you are using a kadai or pan, add 1 cup salt, place a stand, cover and heat it on a medium flame for 15 minutes. Take a clean bowl, sift all the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup all-purpose flour, 6 tablespoon cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking soda, quarter teaspoon baking powder, quarter teaspoon salt. Sift all the dry ingredients. Keep the dry ingredients aside. Now take another bowl, add 1 cup powdered sugar, 4 tablespoon curd, mix well. Add 5 tablespoon butter, give a good mix. Add half cup buttermilk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, mix well. Now add the dry ingredients little by little and mix well. Add quarter cup water, mix well. Please make sure there are no lumps in the batter. Transfer the batter to the tin and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. If you are making in kadai or pan, first 15 minutes bake it on medium flame. After that bake it on low flame for 30 minutes. Let's make the sugar syrup. Take half cup water in a pan. Add 2.5 to 3 tablespoon sugar. Let it boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Now let it cool down completely. This method of sugar syrup will help in keeping the cake moist for a couple of days. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, mix and keep it aside. Now the cake is out of the oven. When you insert a fork or a toothpick, it should come out clean. That's the sign of perfectly baked cake. Let's check the cake. It's perfectly baked. If your toothpick doesn't come out clean, please further bake for 5 to 10 minutes. Let the cake cool down for 15 minutes. Now put the cake upside down on a cooling rack or a plate. Here you can see the spongy texture. Cut and separate the top layer of the cake. Cut the cake into 2 halves. Using thread will make your work a lot more easier. Here I have made just 2 slices. You can even make 3 slices if you wish. Cover it in aluminium foil and keep it in fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Today I am making chocolate cream truffle by using whipping cream. In case if you are not able to use whipping cream, you can use chocolate truffle. Now let's see how to make chocolate truffle. Take some water in a pan. Once it's hot and about to boil, reduce the flame to low. Now take 1 cup of chopped dark chocolate in a clean dry bowl and place on top of the hot water vessel. Add 4 tablespoon cream. Make sure the water doesn't come in contact with the chocolate. This method of chocolate melting is called double boiler method. Mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon butter or oil. Butter should not have any water content in it. Butter will help to bring that nice shiny look to the chocolate. Once it cools, keep it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. It will be ready to use for chocolate cake icing. Important tip, in case if the chocolate becomes too hard when you take it out of the fridge, please follow double boiling method to bring the chocolate back for piping consistency. If you are using chocolate truffle for icing, please increase the measurement to triple. I will use this chocolate truffle to decorate my cake while icing. Now let's prepare the liquid chocolate ganache to pour on the cake. Here again we use the same double boiler method. Take 1 cup of chopped chocolate, half cup cream, mix well. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons milk and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons butter or oil. This will give nice glossy look to the chocolate. This is the perfect consistency. Let it cool down completely. Strain and keep it ready. Today I will be making chocolate cream truffle by using whipping cream. Take 1 cup chilled whipping cream in a chilled bowl. Beat it for 8 to 10 minutes. This is perfect. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons liquid chocolate ganache and beat again for a minute. Now the chocolate cream is ready for icing. Fill the whipping cream to a piping bag as shown. Now this is ready. Place a cake board, add little cream, place the cake, add some sugar syrup, pipe the cream, spread the cream evenly, add some chopped chocolate or choco chip, keep the second layer, again add some sugar syrup. Add the cream. Use a cake spatula to even out the surface. Now keep this in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Now pour the chocolate ganache and spread it evenly. Remove and clean the excess chocolate from the sides. Here I am piping the pure chocolate truffle which we have prepared in the beginning. If you wish, you can use them for icing instead of whipped chocolate cream. I love some red roses on my cake. You can decorate your cake however you wish. I hope I am able to tell you the difference between chocolate truffle and chocolate cream truffle. Let's add some sugar pearls. Tasty, super soft and moist eggless chocolate cream truffle cake is ready for the new year. I hope you guys will like the recipe. It tastes yummy. I hope you guys like chocolate cream truffle cake. For more such recipe, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.